The paper I just presented is about the inequality of opportunity in schooling and whether that is affected by government policy to increase the local supply of schooling. What we focus on is what I call the intergenerational persistence coefficient, which is, in layman person, is the way your own schooling is connected to your parents' schooling. And that linkage, if the linkage becomes weaker, then there is more mobility in education and more equality of opportunity in education. But if the link is very strong between a parent's schooling and a child's schooling, that means that only educated parents get to educate their children, and the less educated parents don't get to do it. And so the point of the paper is to see whether the government policy to spread the construction of schooling tends to reduce that linkage between parent and child schooling. And what we found is actually that it does strongly reduce the linkage, especially for basic schooling, and especially for the older generation of Jordanians who grew up at the time when the school construction was taking place. The younger generation, other factors affected whether they got schooling or not, because the schools were already there. And it seems to work more at the basic level than at the secondary level. So having a dedicated program to build basic schools in local areas does increase the equality of opportunity of schooling.